Okay, guys, here we are back again. I'm having one of those clumsy days that everything doesn't seem to work the way you expect it to work. And I've redone this video 3 times, so I've been losing trading opportunities and time and things to tell you, basically. So I don't know what got recorded or not, but I mean, at the end I had to delete the video. And here we saw Tesla, we bought Tesla twice today, 4 shares each time at different levels. And then we were seeing this downtrend, and we said, okay, we have to sell it, because if this continues, and we could see that here the 200 moving average is going down. So we sold Tesla more or less at this point, we bought it at this point, and we bought another one more or less at this point here. So yeah, so far we sold at a loss, and the bad news for us, because we sold it, is that Tesla is actually recovering. Okay, so we were talking about a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and another lower high. And the moment we sold, which was at around this point here, it actually did a reversal turnaround, and which I don't see now. It probably was here. Okay, it looked like it was going to go down, so we sold it here, more or less. Here, but was more or less here. The moment you do the transaction, it takes some time. You change the page, then you come back, and instead of this going down, it just turned around and it went back up, which is good because we're getting close to the 200 moving average. We only sold 4 of the 8 shares, so we were pretty conservative there. And even though we thought this was gonna plump today, like, I don't know, it looked so bad at that moment. And yeah, that's what happens when you are chasing something, you know, when you are constantly analyzing, looking, and when you see that this thing is going like this, you are like, okay, when you get to this point, you think this is going to continue. This is going to continue today. We're going to dance on the water. Well, so far, so good. Look at this. It has been moving in this range here. So more or less, yeah, the highest peak, it's around 420, and the lowest 417. Probably 416 at this point here. So it looks like it's trying to recover, which is a good sign. It's a good sign. We can do a few lines to trace the new range, the new direction. So we have it here in line, and probably we could play with this solidification point, this high point, and this low point, and we can get an idea of what the new range will be. And I don't put this point or this one, otherwise it's going to cut off very quickly. And I don't put this one either, because that would be unrealistic. This was the lowest high point we had, okay? So we'll leave it there. I think that's a good way of putting it down. And now what I'm going to do is, let's predict, okay? I mean, this can go anyway. What's going to happen? It could go here and not cross the 200 moving average and bounce back against it, and try to do the same a few times and then cross the 200 moving average. That could be a possibility. Another possibility would be that it hits the 200 moving average and it just goes down directly, or after a few dances around this range or this wedge or this triangle, it bounces back down. When you normally have a wedge that it's very straight on the top or horizontal like this and like this, The moment you hit it the last, normally think of it like a fronton. You're playing tennis against a wall, and normally it will use the fronton to go down normally. But from what I've seen today, from the pre-market activity that was very positive, we were at 4%, now we're only at 3%. Then we went up almost to 5%, and we dropped all the way to almost 2% when we were here. It looks like the market wants to recover. A very important thing, we're getting close to the 11:30 to 12, that's lunchtime. Okay, you have it here. And normally at this time, around here, between 11:30 and 12:30, you have a hype point on the market. It's a bit similar to the one when you open the market at the beginning. You have that hype. Here is similar. It's normally not as powerful, but sometimes you get many stocks that hit 10%, 12, 15 at that moment, okay? So I'm just saying, we're getting close to that point. So let's check the portfolio. And if we check the portfolio, since we're getting close to that hype moment, we're gonna check which stocks are, oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, we sold this one today. I just didn't see at what percentage, but look at this. It went 28% up, and we sold it at 0.75, which is probably that when it was at around 15%, something like that. We can check just for curiosity, LM, and we're gonna check at what level. Well, I'm gonna leave. No, I'm gonna just change it. LM, and okay, it doesn't go back enough in time since I bought it. It might have been a few, I don't know how many weeks ago. I'll just put several weeks ago. We're gonna see if we made any profit on it. I remember having to sell it several times at different levels, and it was one of those stocks that I bought because it was gonna hit bottom rock, but it continued dropping. And okay, what's going on now? It doesn't search. What's going on? I don't know. While this happens, we'll check on Tesla. So these are the targets to sell. These are the 5 shares. Are these the 5 that we had? No, we sold the 4. So we still have 4 shares for sale that we bought today at around, I thought I had the calculator here, but we're gonna open it. We bought at 422, let's say. So more or less, if we want 5%, we should sell them at 443. So we'll do that. We'll set these sell at 443, and we want GTC until it gets executed. So it's not a daily, it's a forever. So that's it. We have it here now, 443. That's going to be our cheapest order. And from there, we'll sell all the other ones, and which have been set in increments because as they were bought more or less. So I grouped them. So probably about 2 at 4, I don't know, 24. At 424, 426, 427, and I calculate more or less an average, and I say 5% would be 4486. Okay, let's go back to LM and see what happened here. Okay, so we bought it at 476. Look at this. We bought it at 471. Oh my! So probably I'm thinking that we might still have some shares, and we can sell them now. Oh no, we only have one. So yeah, you can never know. I mean, actually, I think I forgot about this. It was a point in time when I was gonna sell some of them. I put 0.75 and then I left it there, a GTC order, and it got forgotten. So probably we break even. I will need to calculate all these, but okay, it's not important at the moment. Let's check back on Tesla. So here we are back with Tesla, and Tesla, look at that, Tesla is taking off again. I really like this. I really like this opening. As you can see here, it's every time it's higher. It's cooling off a little bit, but still higher than the previous one. And that's a really good sign. The difference between these 2 points, it's what shows the height of this rectangle here. So we're going up. That's up. And where is the 200 moving average? Normally the 200 moving average is around here. Oh, I see it there. And we're above the 200 moving average. So if we move down, we should see, oops, I moved that and I don't know where it was. I think it was around here, more or less. That's the wedge we set up before, and I'm glad that my prediction was so bad that this went through it. Although I believe I said at one point that we might just go through it directly, but I'm not sure anymore. Well, now we just have to look and see what happens. In the meantime, oh, it's cooling off now. Okay, it's cooling off. Now might be a good moment. If it cools off, when this crosses and it falls and starts crossing again, or it crosses with the signal, at this point here, so we'll do a line here, we'll buy more. We can buy 4 more, 5, because that shows an inverse parabolic, which might be a good moment to buy for the next hype. So yeah, I'm just saying, that's in my opinion. Don't listen to anything I say or do. My kids started their channel 2 days ago, and they have already more views than I have in my 2 months of channel, and I have so many more videos than they do, and their channel is so much better in so little time, so much more successful. It's incredible. I couldn't believe it. So yeah, anything can happen. Listen to them, don't listen to me, okay? Okay, let's wait for this moment and buy some more. We can already do prediction at what price we want to buy them. Normally, if this line is correct, it should be at around this price, which would be around 14, 16. But look at that, it's doing a false reverse turn in trend, and I think it's just going to continue going up. Will it come down to this level? Most likely it will. I believe so. And if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. But we bought some shares at this level already. So we lost the opportunity to buy some shares at this level. That's it. We lost that because we sold them. Okay. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you like it. I hope this helped to see how the market works. It turns around from one moment to the other. It's like crazy. You go here, they go there, that goes there, here, there. It's like oh, okay. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a retail investor. Thanks. Bye.